Hello, today is Art Word Wednesday, and we are going to look at the word contour. Now, contour, it means the outline or the shape of something. So right here I've drawn an apple, and I've just drawn the outline of it. This is a contour drawing, where we have the outline, and we can see the shape of the apple. But it's not very in-depth. We could do something pretty easy and have another apple with some actual shading on it and a little bit of 3D, and that would give us more information about the apple. And adding those lines does add to the shape of it. We can go in and we can draw another apple here, and I can add curved lines to imply the curved shape coming to us. So these curved lines, and even the little spirals, will create this idea that this apple has some depth to it. It exists in a 3D space, even if we're only looking at a 2D representation of it. We can come back here and do it a little cleaner by just going in and really focusing on those lines. And having clean contour lines is always going to be easier on the viewer. The top apple is going to look a lot nicer than the bottom apple. And I can even add these lines that are called cross contour. These lines go across just like a globe and give us these lines that separate this apple into square chunks. And since our brain knows squares map over curved space, it looks like a curve. It's the same idea with drawing a globe with longitude and latitude. So if I come up here and I draw my latitude lines and then draw my longitudinal lines, and then those of you in geography may correct me if I'm wrong on those, but drawing a globe becomes a lot simpler. Once we add those lines in, we can even go in and draw out the continents again. Geography people, sorry. This is a quick sketch with no map to look at. I'm just drawing in what I can remember, where it goes. So if I drew your country wrong, or just sorry. But especially Europe. Europe's just out of touch on this one. But this is a way to really imply depth and three-dimensional nature and really seeing the shape. And all of the lines of the country borders I just draw, those are contour lines too. They tell us the shape of those countries. And drawing some little clouds over here with these fun little contour lines for the clouds. And if we want to go into, here's a little more of a cloud. Sorry, it's hidden by the title, but add some contour lines to my little crescent roll cloud. And even the shading lines I add will add contour to it. So, okay, post your sketches in Google Classroom. Have a good day.